Hey everyone, it's Meg. Today is day 2 of staying in my house all day because of coronavirus. It's actually so terrifying. Be safe everyone, be washing your hands, stop fighting each other for toilet paper. I'm getting a little cabin fever from having to stay inside all day. Can only watch so much TV. So I decided to take out some of my thrifting stuff and do some thrift flips for you guys. At least it's entertaining for me. I hope it's entertaining for you. It'll give you a break. I went to St. Vincent de Paul thrift store. It's the biggest thrift store in LA. I've always wanted to go there. It's actually pretty cool. But what I was looking for was the ugliest prom dresses I could find. This is what it looks like. It is pretty horrible with a bow intact. This little black skirt part. And then this is the top. It's like Cruella de Vil goes to the prom. I don't know. But I actually thought that I could make a really cute sheer top out of this. Like this is the one that I have from Urban Outfitters. And I was like, why not make like a going out shirt out of this material? So wish me luck. I'm not sure how it's gonna look since it has these little frilly shoulders. But I'm gonna test it out. First, I'm gonna put this on to show you how horrible it is. I haven't put it on yet, but I'm assuming it's gonna be pretty bad.
It looks
It's
so
bad. I don't know. I think this is the worst thing I've ever seen. So first things first, we have to get rid of this white inner, I don't even know, dress / shirt. It is attached to the zipper, so it's going to be a little hard not to tear this type of fabric because it's so thin. I have my scissors, I have my seam ripper. I'm just going to try my best. Wish me luck. I'm just going to start by cutting off all the excess fabric. I'm about halfway done cutting the zipper away from the white fabric, but I realize I'm gonna have to get rid of this big black bulky skirt in order to figure out what to do with this zipper, because it's just in the way. So I'm just gonna cut it straight off. Ooh, it's kind of satisfying to do. Ah! I love it. Good riddance. This is disgusting. Feels good. So this is what we have now. It looks insane. But I'm gonna cut off the other side to have the zipper with the white. And then I'll see what to do about this part at the bottom. This is the trickiest part where the zipper meets the bottom. So I'll do this side real quick. This is where the zipper ends. I'm just gonna open it up and cut this part away, all the way off down here. Ah! All right, we got one more side. Perfect. That was less hard than I thought. Okay, this is the shirt now. As you can see, it is extremely jaggedy. We gotta fix that. But the good thing is that with this shirt, it actually looks like the bottom is just cut off. Like it's not folded under or anything. It's just cut, which is perfect because that means it's super easy to make. Last step before I put it on is to cut out these shoulder pads right here. Alright, and now it is just a normal shoulder. Beautiful. And the other side. Gorgeous. Alright, this is the final product. The only issue is that since the skirt was diagonal, it cut this part longer than the back part. And since the zipper goes to the bottom, I can't cut this back part shorter. So it's like a crop top in the front, long in the back. the opposite of a mullet. But I think the good thing is that I'm gonna be wearing this underneath like a bodycon dress or something to be part of the outfit. So it doesn't actually matter that this is all crazy, but yeah, that's what happened. So we're just gonna roll with it. I'm gonna put it on and show you what it looks like. This is the finished look. I actually like it. Even though the shoulders are kind of puffy and Paul hates that, I think it's cute. It feels very like high fashion, 80s vibes. While I was out there filming, I saw someone I knew and that was really awkward. But that's what happens in LA. It's so big but it's so small, you always see it. So, Tim, glad you got to see that. Thanks for watching this thrift flip. I hope that it gave you some entertainment while you're in quarantine or just at home during coronavirus. Hopefully it's over soon. In the meantime, I'm going to be making a lot more thrift flips. If you don't know me, I'm an ethical fashion blogger, so I'm going to make a lot of videos about sustainable and ethical fashion, thrift flips, that sort of stuff. So if you want, please like and subscribe and comment below if you like this style, if you think that you would wear it, or any other ideas you have of how I could wear this shirt top that I created. Alright, thanks guys, bye. Whew. These jeans are tight. Okay. Oh, that's better.